Cook good and look good. Okay, y'all. So what's up? It's Sugar Queen Jones, and I am at Kam Man Food. You already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to teach y'all how to cook good and look good. I have a strong bond with the Asian mother freaking people because they food, their umami, and everything that they be having that has to do with flavor give me something to savor. So it would be making sense that I'm gonna go ahead and vlog these experiences. And ain't no store like an Asian grocery store, because Asian grocery store don't stop, okay? I can say that because if you go up in here, you're gonna see that it goes round and round and round again, okay? Let's get into it. I'm so excited. I'm about to get some shit. Taki, mushrooms. Literally. I mean, the best thing about vlogging is everybody got that mad mask on, okay? Mad mask. Am I getting your face? No. You're getting it. Kam Man Food. Okay? My sister gonna tell me, she said, you're gonna have to ask for permission to vlog in stores and stuff. I'm like, if they catch me watching them watch them, I'm gonna take it as an honor. Okay? I'm gonna take it as an honor. Your honor. Okay? Wow. T-Mobile. The actual entrance to the market. Alright, so you see them stores. Now we turn over here. We got everything. They got a little flea market up in here, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna leave my cart right here. And they got a whole little nursery up in here. These are persimmon trees. That's hella cool. I didn't even know you could grow persimmons up here. And then they got the giant Asian hardy pear. Oh my. That's a cool selection of freaking fruit. They got too many different varieties of persimmons that I didn't even know that they had. And these ones down here are already blossoming into some other type of Asian pear. Oh my god, y'all. That is hella cool. I wish I owned land so I could put some trees up in there just for this. Alright, so I'm not gonna go up in this store, but if I ever wanted to get platy for anything, I'm coming here. You see the vibes. Okay. So, y'all, you cannot tell me that this is not amazing. Okay? You can't tell me that. They got durian here. Okay? Durian be expensive as heck, bruh. Got durian for freaking $5.99 a pound. That's at least 3-4 pounds, bro. Good old pears. Oh my gosh, they got 3 varieties. They got crunchy gold, fragrant pear, and yali pear. Mad different types of oranges, mandarin, tangerine, more pears again. What type of these? This not even labeled right. This is some type of, I call them nippled citrus. But I kind of want to try that, but that's not even in this spot. I think it's some type of cactus fruit, maybe. I'm not sure. They got cauliflower, mud oranges, citrus. Oh my god. Go down here, they got the more bourgeois citrus. I'm up here leaving my purse and stuff, but hey, that's how much I don't really care. If I get stolen from, I deserve it. Okay, papayas, mangoes. They got the box of mangoes, bro. And they're 18 for a 12 count. $7.99 for a 6 count. Now these are pomelos, but these pomelos are wretched to be on their last leg. Okay. Usually they're plumper, but they got plantains. They got green bananas, corn, multiple different types of corn. I've never seen these corn before. They look very cool. They're intensely colored sweet corn. Okay, cool. I like stuff like that. Now I'm probably gonna have to pick something to get from here, but I just want to go through these aisles to show you what I got in front of me for the options. Ooh, I thought these was peaches. Sorry, I got all excited. All right, I'll show you some vegetables. We got here some spinach, bok choy, melons and gourds over here, bitter melon. These are great if you're into unique stir fries that, you just want to have a different crisp bite to. They have 3 different varieties. So we have the lighter one, just regular bitter melon, white bitter melon, and leaf gone bitter melon. Hopefully I'm saying that. Fuzzy squash, and it's actually fuzzy. Chinese okra. I've never seen them. I like regular okra, so I'm gonna like Chinese okra. They got eggplants, kohlrabi, lotus root, grated soups. They got banana flour, y'all. Oh my gosh. Chives, chive flowers, all different types of squashes, as you can see. Seaweed, you can just see the salt all encapsulated in here. Oh my god. The herbs, lime leaf. I got like 5 minutes of footage here, so people gonna be like, oh my gosh, she really just going in. But y'all, look at the chest. Long beans. Now, I'm trying to grow some oriental long beans in my yard this year. Do you see these beans? These are like green beans times 10. Just chop these up and make something out of them. You know? Baby. Look at the mushrooms. Here we go with the shiitake mushrooms from. You thought I was just talking shiitake, but I wasn't. And just today I'm about to. Go ahead. What else? They got king oyster mushrooms, regular oyster mushrooms. Oh, they got it all, y'all. Dried mushrooms. Oops, excuse me, I'm up here partly talking. This is dehydrated cabbage, y'all. Where is my cabbages? And look at that seaweed.